I think CLL is a disease that there's been getting a lot of attention. There's been a lot of success over the last 4 to 5 years with a variety of different mechanisms of action being brought forward, showing significant activity. And we're focused on looking at probably the three most active mechanisms: anti-CD20 antibodies, BTK inhibitors, and then Venetoclax, the only BCL2 inhibitor that's available, and combining those in whether doublets, triplets, understanding the right sequencing, understanding the right durations of therapy, in ways that we can continue to generate these deep responses and focus on fixed duration regimens that again provide control of the disease and allow patients to have frontline. We hope to have 4, 5, 6+ years of treatment-free remission. I would say our primary our data is updates from our phase 3 MURANO trial. MURANO is a randomized phase 3 of Venetoclax plus Rituximab versus bendamustine Rituximab. So we have a chemotherapy-free regimen taking on a chemotherapy regimen for the first time. And that was the basis of our approval earlier this year, in June of this year, for full approval in relapsed refractory CLL in the US, and then at the end of the year in November for EMA. But what we presented is updated data from the original analysis that was presented in the late-breaking abstract last year at ASH. We have our regimen is unique. It's a fixed duration regimen, so where in combination with Rituximab, we give 2 years of Venetoclax and then stop therapy. The reason we can stop therapy is we achieve really deep responses, a high rate of complete response, as well as undetectable MRD or MRD negativity. MRD negativity has been shown to be prognostic for sustained PFS, and in frontline patients even improved overall survival. So with the data we have here, we had follow-up on all patients after they'd stopped therapy, and what we see is sustained progression-free remissions when patients who are off treatment. We think that is a terrific option for patients. They aren't reminded that they have cancer, taking drugs every day, and their quality of life improves as they really don't have the side effects from therapy at that point in time. We haven't reached the median progression-free survival yet. We'll continue to follow patients as they year to year to see how long these remissions can be. So we're presenting a detailed analysis of minimal residual disease, the assessments we did. I think it's a new endpoint that we hope to establish it as a true surrogate endpoint in CLL, and it's the ability to eliminate minimal residual disease is a focus kind of broadly across hematologic malignancies, and Venetoclax is playing a significant role in that, particularly in CLL. So we'll watch this study mature, but where we're going now is we're moving forward into frontline or untreated CLL. We reported a positive result based on an interim analysis for a phase 3 trial in combination with a different anti-CD20 antibody, Venetoclax or Gazyva. And that data will be we'll be able to make that data public sometime next year. But that is we're moving there, and really want to extend the Venetoclax reach broadly to all CLL patients.
Yeah.